Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from China. Okay? I've got a lot of stuff from China lately, and I'm really jazzed on it, and I'm dying to check it all out. So it's going to be a cavalcade of China interspersed with other things. This was a variety that I got. It was part of a Chinese New Year promotion, Lunar New Year. This is Cow is Starving Braised Chicken flavor. Okay? Cow is starving. That's rad. So we will see how Cow's doing. Comes with a fork. 3 sachets and a noodle pouch. So let's get that all going. The noodles go in for 60 seconds. That's it. It doesn't even have to be boiling water, but I have boiling water. These are already pre-cooked noodles, and you just boil them for 60 seconds or whatnot. And I don't know, let's put 60 seconds on the clock and see how many of these Monopoly tickets I can shuck while that goes on. Got one. It is instant winner, sour cream. Sour cream. It's cream. It's sour. Not really all that sour. I don't know why they call it that. Next up we've got a digital fun thingy. And then we've got another digital one. I gotta get the app and do these digital things. And then we got another digital one. Oh, this is getting redonkulous. Come on, give me something good. Give me a car. I'm legally blind. I need a car. Ah! No! Sour cream, ladies and gentlemen. Sour cream. Got more. So. My outburst has given worry to my little sweet daughter. All is well. I was just being dramatic. How many did I get done? Like 5? I need to get my rate of shucking. If you're like, whoa, that's a weird term, shucking. That's what you do with oysters, if you didn't know that. I'm sure you did if you're watching this show. You're a person of a person of the world. En garde! Alright. So we got noodles. Well, I already have a dirt now. I hate dirtying things that don't need to be dirtied. In fact, at dinner time, I will avoid... Oh, that was kind of a garnish. That could have gone on last, but it's all good. It's okay. It's okay. That was a deal or no deal. It's okay, by the way. You know, I think on that show, everybody on that show is an actor. I think it's all fake. Every last bit of it. Because it's like people are there and all of a sudden they're like, blah, 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 your long lost brother, you know? We know you like horses, so we brought out a horse. Like, and they just pulled you randomly out of the audience, huh? And, I mean, we all know Howie Mandel isn't real. He's CGI, folks. If you didn't know that already, now you know. And if you don't know, now you know. Alright. You're like probably missing all the good stuff that I'm doing right here. There you go. Alright. Braised chicken flavor, huh? Give it a nice stirring. Oh, that's a lot of noodle. Will the sauce coat evenly throughout and give the noodles less of a stark light color? He thinks maybe. I'm hopeful of it. But yeah, it's basically noodles and sauce. And you toss it. You toss it like there's no tomorrow. Look, toss. It's kind of neat because my brother, he lives in Jerusalem and he has for years, but he's from like Connecticut. He's got like that East Coast accent. He says forget about it all the time. It's great. So it's like, yeah. It's like, that's one of the reasons I absolutely love talking to my brother. Because he's got that accent, man. I've been kind of catching it a little bit. You know, forget about it. It's just kind of what happens. But then he makes fun of me. It's like, oh, you sound like you're from Brooklyn. I'm not from Brooklyn. Then I was like, it's funny because I asked him to send me some, I'm curious, you know, I'm not religious, but he's very religious, he's very Jewish, and he sent me some videos or audio clips of stories and lessons and things like that. So I was learning a little bit about some stuff, and I was like, I love the way that everybody speaks. It's the banter is definitely unique. You know, kind of uniquely, I guess uniquely Jewish and uniquely New York area. I don't know. It's like, oh, it's talking Torah. I'm like, okay. Yeah. I always look forward to Wednesdays, because Wednesday's the day I get to talk to my brother. Usually. Sometimes more. Sometimes Wednesday doesn't work, but usually it does. Now, what do we talk about? The kids. That's what we talk about. And politics. Now, we do not agree on politics for the most part. But on the essential things, you know, I think we kind of do. Cheers. That's pretty good. Kind of a vinegary... kind of a vinegary braised kind of thing going on. That's pretty good. Have another bite. It said this is only 150 calories. I'm having trouble believing that. But it could be, I guess. I'm gonna throw some mung bean sprouts in. Stir them up. Now, this is always a crapshoot because if there's not enough goo to go around, the mung bean sprouts are going to stick out like a sore thumb. So I like there to be a little bit of distinct coloring of the mung bean sprouts, because who wants to eat a bowl of like dark stuff with a bunch of bleached looking things in it? I did okay. Okay. Oh God, you know, you hear that? I really, if you have things and stuff, don't get a freaking glass countertop, ceramic top stove. I think it's just an accident waiting to happen. God. I'm just waiting for this thing to just like something to be set down on it incorrectly and for it just to shatter. It stresses me out, man. Personally, I would never buy one for my own self, but it's not really our choice. We live in an apartment. But I really don't want to break it for that reason. So that was good. You know what happens to these things once I'm done reviewing them, right? So if you're new to this show, you will know in a moment what happens. They go down this, they go down the disposal. Yep. And you're like, why? It's like, well, the main impetus for doing that, well, let me put it this way. They go down the disposal. Does this thing have a leak in it? Yes? Crap. That means over there's... Freaking crap, my pants are covered in soy sauce. Anyways, this is bad chicken. This is like well over a week old, but for visual purposes, it'll do in a pinch. It doesn't smell bad. I'm sure it's okay to eat it, but I'm not gonna. But now I'm really ticked. My pants are covered in soy sauce. Luckily, they're black pants, but still. Who wants to be wearing soy sauce covered pants? That's my question to you. It's a poser for you. Who wants to be wearing soy sauce colored pants? I certainly don't. But I'll take my pants off after the show. Good God! It's everywhere! It's on my shoes! I bet you it's on my nice shirt, too. Isn't it? No. Okay. God, I'm marinating myself. I can feel it through my pants. I'm marinating myself in soy sauce, ladies and gentlemen. Luckily, I have two pairs of these pants. Mimi thinks it's funny. But it's not funny. There's that. Yeah, that thing is getting chucked. I'm mad at that item of kitchenware. Here's some chili flake. Wow, look at the top of that thing. That looks incredible. And some sesame seeds. There we go. We're calling it good. Come on, Rotato. Let's get it on. There we go. God. How horrible. Yeah. Time to change my pants. Wow, what fun. Well, hey, it is the end of Tuesday for me and the end of the show for you. So I'm signing off. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Yeah, go check out www.theramenraider.com. There's all sorts of good stuff on there, over 3,400 different reviews. And if you feel like it, you know, go to patreon.com/theramenraider. That'd be a nice thing to do. All right. Have a good one. Bye.